Hey everybody, this is a real quick video in case you have a Marshall Stanmore III speaker with Bluetooth and you need to do a hard reset to the factory default settings on it. You're going to want to do this reset for one of two reasons really. The first one is troubleshooting if this speaker is not connecting to your phone or not syncing to the app or not pairing with Bluetooth, or if it keeps disconnecting or is not responding. Anything like that, a factory reset will fix a lot of those issues. Now the second reason you might want to do this is just any situation where you want to wipe all of the pairing history, all of the settings off of it so that you can just go ahead and set this up like it's a brand new speaker coming out of the box, except that it will keep whatever firmware updates that you have done on it. But anyways, if this is something you want to do, it's really easy to do. All we need to do is with the speaker turned on, we are going to just come in and find this media control button over here on the right and just press and hold it for 10 seconds. So after 10 seconds, this will cause the speaker to reset, at which point you can go ahead and delete it off anything you've had paired with in the past because you'll be setting this up as a brand new speaker. And if this worked for you, if you could leave me a like, I would really appreciate it. Thanks a lot.